Hey guys, what's going on? Today's another installment of How to Stream, and we'll be diving into how to use Streamelements or any other type of overlay bot integrated into OBS. So let's dive right into it. I've already gone ahead and taken the liberty of opening up Google Chrome and going to Streamelementcom. This is the bot that I choose to use, but there are other ones like Struxome that you can also use to put overlays on your channel. So once you go to the web page, you'll be prompted to log in. I've already logged in, so it just says my dashboard, so I'm going to go ahead and go there. And you'll be taken to your main page. From there, come over to overlays, and for the sake of this video, I've made an instructional one. You can create blank overlay, call it whatever you want. That name is going to come up right along these. And then once you create one, it will give you the option to edit it. This is what you'll look at, a nice big green screen, which basically lets you know that whatever you put on here is going to be shown over what you're broadcasting. So your Xbox, PC, PS4 gameplay, whatever your poison of choice is. One thing I like to do immediately is actually launch the overlay. I'm going to give you this nice little URL. So go ahead and copy that, come back over to OBS. You guys are on my view right now, and that way you guys can see what I'm doing. I actually have my broadcasting one, which will be what you guys see when I'm streaming. But right here, we're going to come over to sources. You'll come to browser source. We'll call it instructional. You'll put the URL where it says URL. It's pretty straightforward. Make sure you do 1080 by 720. Do your 60 frames so it's nice and smooth for when you do your tipper counts, your follower counts, and stuff like that. So it's a little, not as gritty. You can go ahead and delete the CSS. That doesn't really matter. So once you do that, you'll be shown this little red box, and you'll just expand that to the size of your broadcasting screen. Now this is going to be blank. The reason why I like to do this is once I come back over to Streamelements and I add in, let's say, latest follower, and I save that, I'll be able to see where it pops up on my stream. So I already have some stuff in here. So we'll use, let's see. Oop. Get rid of that. Let's upload an image. So you can select a file. I have a file folder for everything that I do in here. We will upload the Instagram. We'll click submit. And anywhere you put that, it will pop up relative to your OBS. So then on OBS, you can see that it looks like that. So coming back over to here, you can see kind of where everything would line up on your stream. So in this case, we'll go ahead and we'll launch this overlay. We'll copy that URL, come back over to here, and then once you create a new overlay and you want to switch to that one, very simple. Just come over to properties, enter in that new URL, hit OK. And boom, now you've got that overlay. Within StreamElements, there's a lot of things that you can do. You can do contests, giveaways. You can do store redemptions if someone happens to use your channel to get something on, let's say, Paladins the game. You can be notified when someone does that. You can be notified of your top cheer if you wanted to throw that in here. So now I've got the awesome wifey medic. And you can just put that anywhere you want, and as soon as you save, it will be popped up on your stream. So you can customize whatever images, words, notifications that you want to come up on your stream. You know, we'll do that, because I like things to be even. And then come over here to text settings. Ooh, 20 will fit. Let's see, position. Top. We'll do 1. And then once I save that, we'll see it pop up on there. And that's how you use Streamelements for your overlay manager and doing overlays on your stream. You guys all take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.